Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert on MEXC. For that, you need to launch your MEXC Global mobile application, and after that, you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you have previously used the Binance app, then in the Binance app, you are going to get the convert button. And if you are wondering whether MEXC Global has that option or not, then you can find that by tapping on this more option. Here you will be able to see all of the options or features that are provided by MEXC Global. But you will notice that there is no option to convert the coins. So in this situation, what you can do is you can simply sell your crypto, and in return you can get USDT. For example, let's say you want to sell the Solana token. So you will have to use the search bar at the top, and in the search bar you will have to type Solana or Sol. Once done, you will be able to find the Sol pair with USDT in the spot as well as in the futures. So you will have to tap on the spot one, and then you will be redirect on this page. Now over here you need to press the sell button, and after that you will have to enter the amount that you want to convert into USDT afterwards. It will show you the equivalent USDT that you will get. Then you need to press this sell button, and this way you will be easily able to convert any of the coins that you have in your MEXC Global account into USDT. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any questions regarding to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.